Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 19th of May 2022. I'm Matt, senior trader at TradeView. Sell-off in cryptos looks set to continue. Global equity markets have remained under pressure. Just posted inside the crypto chat room here. The correlation, this is a Bloomberg chart, the correlation between Bitcoin and the tech index in particular remaining very strong. You can see the correlation. I mean, it's been positive now since the 2020 crash. That was March, but then in recent times, as you can see, especially this past 6 months that we've seen in 2022 so far, it's really taken off, and now not trading. Now its correlation is at a high, basically an all-time high, and we've been seeing that reflected in price. Basically, if you look at the Nasdaq chart, look at Bitcoin for example, you'll see a pretty close correlation, albeit today you're just starting to see a little bit of a divergence. So basically what we've seen in equities so far, well, you're seeing red in S&P, seeing red on Nasdaq, but you are seeing the green here on Bitcoin. So just finding a little bit of support there at the previous daily bar, and so far so good in the green. But after that lower close and also a takeout of the inside bar low, we talked about that on the brief yesterday, that inside bar being important. We did get a daily close below as well. For all intents and purposes, this would be an ideal breakout setup, especially a move to the downside. From here, we could see a move down into 27,000 until the next level of support. So I'm still bearish, still looking for that 27,000 handle before we see a move back to retest what will be the weekend high up around the 31,500. Ethereum is similar today, as you can see. Lower close yesterday, basically breaking the previous 5 days lows. Yeah, 1930 is where we're at. Obviously, breaking below the $2,000 support level as well, and a move down to 1700 shouldn't be ruled out from here. Litecoin at 66.85 overhead resistance. We've faced that at 75. We've talked about that 75 handle several times, and again proved too tough yesterday and a rejection off it. So far today in the greens, in fact, pretty much everything is apart from Ripple, which is just heading down slightly. We've got 0.3870 providing a bit of support though for Ripple. If that continues to hold, we can look for a move back into 0.4445. But if 0.3870 doesn't hold, then a move down into 0.3345 is looking the more likely of the two. That's it for my brief for today. Enjoy the rest of your trading session. Until next time, all the best and bye for now.